Imagine staying cool this summer without any window installation hassles. No drilling, no landlord issues, just pure comfort. Welcome to our channel. Today we're unveiling the top 5 portable air conditioners that don't require window installation. Perfect for renters, small spaces, or anyone seeking hassle-free cooling. If one catches your eye, check out the links in the description to grab yours and stay chill all summer long. The number 5 product on our list is Dreo AC 515S. Imagine effortlessly cooling your space without the hassle of permanent installations. Introducing the Dreo AC 515S 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner. This unit stands out among the top portable ACs that don't require window installation, offering powerful cooling up to 450 square feet. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes ensures year-round comfort. The whisper-quiet operation at 46 dB makes it ideal for bedrooms and offices, while smart controls via app or voice assistant add convenience. Unlike traditional units, its drainage-free design minimizes maintenance, providing peace of mind. Compared to similar models, the Dreo AC 515S offers a blend of performance and user-friendly features, making it a smart choice for those seeking efficient, hassle-free cooling. However, if you're on a tight budget or need to cool larger spaces, you might explore other options. Overall, for its balance of power, quiet operation, and smart features, the Dreo AC 515S is a worthy investment for comfortable living. Number 4 is COSTWAY 10,000 BTU. Imagine transforming your sweltering room into a cool oasis without complex installations. The COSTWAY 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner makes this a reality. With its 4-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, fan, and sleep modes, it adapts to your comfort needs year-round. Covering up to 350 square feet, it's ideal for bedrooms, offices, or small apartments. The unit operates quietly, ensuring minimal noise disruption, and features a user-friendly LED display and remote control for convenience. Its compact design and rolling casters allow easy mobility, while safety features like child lock and overload protection offer peace of mind. Compared to other models in our top 5 list, the COSTWAY stands out for its affordability and versatility. However, if you require smart home integration or have larger spaces to cool, other options might be more suitable. Overall, for those seeking an efficient, budget-friendly cooling solution without the hassle of window installation, the COSTWAY 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a smart choice. The third one on our list is Shinco 8,000 BTU. Did you know a compact device can transform your room into a cool haven without any permanent installations? The Shinco 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a standout among the top 5 portable ACs that don't require window installation. Designed for spaces up to 200 square feet, it offers a 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, making it versatile for various needs. Its self-evaporating system efficiently handles humidity, reducing the need for manual drainage. The unit's compact design, coupled with 4 casters, ensures easy mobility, while the included window kit simplifies setup without permanent alterations. Users appreciate its quiet operation, especially in sleep mode, and the convenience of a 24-hour timer. However, some have noted that the remote control's range is limited, requiring closer proximity for adjustments. Compared to other models in its category, the Shinco offers a balance of performance and portability, making it ideal for renters or those seeking a temporary cooling solution. If you're looking for an efficient, easy-to-install portable AC, the Shinco 8,000 BTU model is a compelling choice. On number 2 is SereneLife 10,000 BTU. Is your current AC unit more of a room warmer than a cooler? The SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner might just be the upgrade you need. Designed for rooms up to 300 square feet, it offers efficient cooling without the need for permanent installation, making it ideal for renters or those without traditional window access. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes ensures year-round comfort. The unit is praised for its easy setup, portability, and effective cooling, especially in larger living spaces. However, some users have noted that it can be noisy on higher settings. Compared to other top portable ACs that don't require window installation, the SereneLife stands out for its user-friendly design and affordability. If you're seeking a reliable, portable cooling solution without the hassle of permanent installation, the SereneLife 10,000 BTU is a worthy contender. Now moving to the last one is SereneLife Wi-Fi app. Ever wished your air conditioner could anticipate your comfort needs? The SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable AC, equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, brings that dream closer to reality. Designed for spaces up to 300 square feet, it offers a 4-in-1 functionality: cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan modes, making it a versatile choice for year-round comfort. Its sleek, compact design with rolling wheels ensures easy mobility, while the intuitive Wi-Fi app allows remote control, adding a layer of convenience for tech-savvy users. Compared to other top portable ACs that don't require window installation, the SereneLife stands out for its smart features and ease of use. However, some users have noted that the unit can be noisier than expected and that the window kit may not fit all window sizes seamlessly. Despite these minor drawbacks, if you're seeking a smart, portable solution to maintain a comfortable indoor climate, the SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable AC is a compelling option. It's particularly well-suited for individuals looking for a blend of functionality and modern convenience in their cooling solutions. Imagine controlling your climate with a tap, no window installation required. The SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable AC offers 4-in-1 functionality: cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan modes, covering up to 300 SQPFs. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote adjustments via the SmartLife app, enhancing convenience. Users appreciate its portability and effective cooling, though some note the noise level on higher settings. Compared to other top portable ACs, it stands out for smart features and ease of use. If you seek a versatile, smart cooling solution without permanent installation, this unit is a compelling choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 portable ACs that don't require window installation. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.